Hello everyone, welcome back. When people messed with the wrong cops proves that bad decisions can have instant consequences. From reckless defiance to outright aggression, these encounters show how quickly situations escalate when the law is ignored. Buckle up.
Don't do it, man!
Despite being struck by a patrol vehicle and hit with a taser, Jared Gotla continued charging toward police while holding a metal baseball bat. His stubbornness and aggression quickly pushed the situation out of control. In the end, resisting law enforcement is never a wise choice.
Drop the bat! Drop it! Come on, man, I do not want to shoot you today. Go for it. Don't. I got him!
What's your name? Jared? Put him up, Fox, shots fired. Hey, don't worry, watch him, keep going on him! Step back! Get back! You did? I tried everything that I could to not hurt him.
When Montgomery police arrived at the scene of an assault, they ordered Melvin Chavez Paz to drop the sharp object in his hand. Instead of complying, he continued crossing the street, ignoring all commands. Just seconds later, he paid the price for his actions. After stealing a cash register, the woman hadn't even managed to leave before police spotted her. A man who was with her tried to run but was quickly caught as well. No matter how carefully you hide, the law will still find you.
Two Frank. 9451. He's hiding. Show me your hands.
That's not me.
Down on the ground now.
That's not me, sir.
Two Frank, he's done.
Sir, it's not
Down
me.
on the ground now.
It's not me, sir.
I gotta get pepper spray. Focus in.
Get down, please. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get down on the ground now. Do not move. Stop. Whoa. Turn around. Your stomach. Turn around.
What's your name? Here's the deal. You can either come out of the car or I'm going to break out.
Ignoring police orders brings immediate consequences. Despite being told multiple times, the female suspect stubbornly refused to step out of the vehicle. Faced with her clear resistance, officers were forced to break the car window to subdue and arrest her on the spot. The suspect not only held a knife, but also advanced toward police with an object resembling a bow, despite repeated commands to drop his weapons. As the situation rapidly escalated, officers were forced to open fire.
Station 1, shot fires, shot fires. Shots fired, shots fired. Drop it, drop it, put it away.
Go ahead and get your hands out of your pocket, bro. Get your hand out of your pocket right now. Hey, get your hand out
A
of
man
your
was
pocket.
repeatedly ordered by
Get your hand
police
out of
to
your pocket.
cooperate, but he ignored every command. The situation turned dangerous when he suddenly pulled out a knife and swung it at officers.
Stop.
In the end, no weapon can stand against
Stop
the law,
right now.
especially when every chance to stop is
Hey,
ignored.
Stop. 3.5% shots fired. Put your arms out to your side. Put your arms out to your side now.
Ma'am, are you alright? What's going on? What? Is he alone in there?
Greensboro police responded to reports of a serious domestic violence incident. As Officer Petruzzi approached the house, cops suddenly rushed out while still holding a knife. In moments like these, the law leaves no room for recklessness. One wrong move only brings the ending closer.
Alright, eastbound 37th Street.
Austin Schwartz tried to speed away, believing he could escape police. But with a helicopter tracking from above and multiple patrol units on the ground, the high-speed chase came to a quick end.
Passing multiple cars, really extremely reckless, still eastbound 37th. Almost crashed, still southbound. Looks like he's on the sidewalk out. And wipeout, he just crashed. South of 17th Street Boulevard. Yep, he's helmet down. He's standing by the bike right now.
Put your hands up, face away from me. Face away from me. Interlock your fingers on the back of your head. Walk back towards me. Interlace your fingers, all right? Done. Don't be stupid. You understand? We don't want to hurt you, man. Just put it down.
When you deliberately challenge the law, the consequences become clear. Despite multiple attempts to provide mental health assistance, Lamin Mahmoudi firmly refused help. The situation peaked when he held two knives and advanced toward police, ignoring all warnings.
Sir, put it down. Hey, put it down. We just want to help you, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Don't fucking do it.
Put it down. Come on, man. Come on, baby. Come on.
Hey, we do not want to do this, man. Put it down.
Come on. Put it down. Don't fucking do it.
So that's what I'm trying to do, is I'm trying to provide that opportunity.
In a shocking turn of events, while talking with police, the suspect suddenly jumped into a patrol vehicle and drove off. A chase immediately followed through several streets. But no matter how hard he tried to evade or swerve through traffic, Brady couldn't outdrive trained officers. Police don't take lightly those who disrespect the law.
South.
6585 behind. OPD, we're westbound 10th Street.
Westbound 10th Street. Trying to fit.
Okay, good. You are in okay. Do not let him get out of there.
We're walking out.
Gentlemen, I told you, I told the cops twice. There's something going on. At the hilltop now. I think there's some police intrusion. Somebody on here, please.
Or you're gonna go to jail. Do you want to pick?
I don't give a
Screaming and resisting law enforcement has never been a way to avoid consequences. She continuously yelled and refused to cooperate, making the situation more intense than ever. This poor choice would soon lead her to regret her actions.
Put your hands behind your back. Just fine. Now you caught a felony. Good job.
He asked me to get out, but I thought.
What began as a simple check escalated unnecessarily. When police attempted to detain her for clarification, she reacted aggressively. In the end, that pointless resistance only led to her being arrested more quickly.
Actually, y'all got the video of me punching him in his face. Somebody come and get my car. No, it's getting towed.
Michael Bossi admitted that he had just committed a crime. When police arrived, he exited the apartment holding a knife and refused all commands to drop the weapon. Even after being shot, he attempted to flee, but officers ultimately subdued and arrested him using a taser.
Hey, stop! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Hey, Taser, come up! Taser, come up! All is complete! Hey, put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife! Put the knife! Put the knife! All is complete! Drop it! I'm gonna hit it again! Hit it again!
Police department, open the door. Police department.
A woman called 911 to scare her boyfriend during an argument, but when police arrived, she immediately denied everything and insisted she hadn't made the call. When questioned, she began screaming and lost control. Meanwhile, her boyfriend came outside yelling insults. In the end, both were arrested for disorderly conduct and obstructing law enforcement. What seemed like a joke ended with both of them in handcuffs.
I don't have time for this, sir. I have to go to work. No, I didn't. I don't know who called you. I didn't call you. I have to go to work. You guys are gonna cause me to lose my job. Please let me go to work. There's no one inside. Please let me go home. Please, I have to go to work. I have to go to work, sir. The fucking job. Oh my gosh, sir. The fucking Stop. I'm not doing anything. You're right, please. These are the bathroom guys in the bathroom.
Get off of her. What are you doing?
He punched me twice.
An employee attacked a woman who was picking up an Uber Eats order, unaware that police were already watching at the scene. Despite later attempts to explain himself, every excuse proved meaningless. Officers quickly restrained and arrested the man. Even a moment of wrongdoing can lead to clear consequences.
I don't care if you work here. So explain to me, why did you feel the need to be on top of this woman? Hey, don't walk away from me. I'm trying to talk to you. Can you crack it so I can talk to you? What is that? You did not work here, sir. Okay. I'm doing my job. I'm trying to talk. Get on the ground or let the police. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
As you've seen in When People Messed with the Wrong Cops, one bad choice can change everything in seconds. What do you think about these encounters? Were they avoidable? Share your thoughts, and don't forget to like and subscribe.